The Bulgarian split squat is a great unilateral exercise that's great for building glutes and quads. To perform a Bulgarian split squat, stand in front of a bench and place one foot behind you on the bench. The most important thing is standing the correct distance from the bench to make sure when standing up you can fully extend your knee and hip completely. From here, keep your front foot flat and perform a squat by hinging at your hips and knees together. Your back knee may or may not touch the floor. Instead, focus on getting your hip crease below knee level. Drive off a flat front foot and stand up completely to finish the rep. Increase difficulty by holding 1 or 2 dumbbells. Repeat until your set is complete.